Hey everyone, welcome back into our Tuesday night weather. Mike Schultz with you once again. And for the most part, it was a very quiet day across the interior. Temperatures were very mild, and it looks like it's going to continue that way. And that's in our what's coming up in our weather tonight. As you can see, we're looking at mild temperatures to continue right on through the rest of the week. And as far as slick roads, well, watch out for them because of those warm temperatures coming up. It'll start melting, even though it's not going to be close to freezing. Temperatures are warmer than they have been, so you'll watch out. They'll be kind of slick. And finally, finishing it off, the inversion is not as bad today as it was yesterday, so the smoke and the air quality is not as bad here in Fairbanks, but in the North Pole, it's still fairly bad. As you can see, the air quality alert in effect through 5 p.m. tomorrow with a stage 1 and moderate conditions in the Fairbanks area, but stage 3 and unhealthy in the North Pole regions. Our satellite picture tonight, well, as you can see here, we're looking again out of the winds are coming out of the southeast at the upper levels, bringing lots of moisture over southeast Alaska and again across the Prince William Sound and the Kenai Peninsula, but nothing making it into the Fairbanks area because the Alaska Range is blocking it out. Good guy there. On the rest of the state, over southeast Alaska, the rain has been falling around the Ketchikan area all day long and expected to get even heavier. 46 degrees for the high. Some showers around the Anchorage Bowl, 31 degrees, and Kodiak also some very light shower activity with 38 there. Along the Aleutian Chain, Cold Bay checking in with 36. 36 also at Bethel and 28 degrees at Nome, with Barrow at 2 degrees above zero. This time of year, that is unheard of. And Fort Yukon at 9 degrees above, so the warm temperatures continue. Lower 48 weather, a little more activity moving across the southern sections of Texas in the form of even some freezing precipitation over the west sections of Texas, then becoming more showery and even thunderstorms over some parts of the deep south. A new system moving ashore in the Pacific Northwest, but this frontal boundary here is losing a lot of its power as it moves eastward, so nothing really heavy expected. And over the Pacific Northwest, though, another storm system moving in will bring heavy rain to areas from Washington all the way down to parts of the northern sections of Northern California, and strong winds also. And the jet stream will continue to move from the west to the east, so nothing really dynamic expected to form along this system there. It'll be actually warming up over the southern sections of the country. All right, time once again for our kids' weather. And this week we're talking with the kids from Two Rivers Elementary School. Tonight, here's a young man with a really good picture of a tornado.
My name's Nathan, and I'm in Miss Clean's class, 4th and 5th, and went Two Rivers School Elementary. And this is my picture. I drew a tornado, cars flying around, dirt, trees, grass, and a house in the corner. And this reminds me of a tornado in Texas.
Cars and trucks and trees flying everywhere. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And another young man will be here tomorrow night with a weather question about dust devils. Never get any questions about that. That'll be interesting. Here's our forecast for the northern sections of Alaska for tomorrow. Snow showers for Barrow and Nome, isolated showers at Fort Yukon, and temperatures fairly comfortable, 26 degrees at Nome. Here in the interior, we're looking at mild temperatures again for Healy and Delta Junction, 31 degrees at Delta Junction. Fairbanks checking in with 22. Over southeast Alaska, the word is rain, periods of rain in Juneau, and heavy rain expected for Ketchikan with 50 degrees for the high tomorrow in Ketchikan. Over the southwest part of the state, it looks like rain and snow showers in Cold Bay, isolated showers for Bethel, and rainy conditions to continue at Kodiak. And over the south central regions, if you're heading on down to the Anchorage area, take an umbrella. Mostly cloudy skies at Anchorage, but rain showers are expected for Homer. And still some snow falling at both Valdez and Thompson Pass. A couple inches in Valdez, maybe up to 6 inches in the Thompson Pass area. At the airport right now, our temperature is 18 degrees after a high of 21. The low last night is 0. The record high 39. That was in 1991, but 60 below in 1934. Your sunrise and sunset working out to 6 hours and 16 minutes, a gain of 6 minutes from yesterday. And the forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies, warmer in the hills. Again, the inversion going on. 1 degree for the high. Tomorrow's forecast, another day just like today, 22 degrees for the high. Partly cloudy skies, and the 5-day outlook calling for temperatures to continue, but slowly cooling down by Sunday and Monday. Overnight lows will also be, once again, way above normal this time of year. We should be looking at 17 below for our overnight lows, and look at those overnight lows there expected with a normal high today normal high is around 2 above. So look at those temperatures. They're just unbelievable this time of year. And as far as our picture for tonight, this is a beautiful one sent in by Kurt Dementive at Cantwell Sundog. Really captured that nicely right there off the road. Almost you can walk right into it. So it's a pretty cool photograph. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com.